Hey guys, good morning, welcome back to my garden. So it's been 1 year since I pruned the boxwood hedge and I created cuttings from the branches I cut off, and now more than 75% are alive and well. I was a bit concerned about them at the beginning of the season because I was checking for roots in April and there were none whatsoever, and I was checking again in June and there were no roots again. But when I checked again at the end of August, I finally found beautiful and healthy roots, so now they are ready to be planted in the garden. I want to create a boxwood hedge with these cuttings. I know it will take a lot of time until they form a full-grown hedge, but now I have more than 100 boxwood plants for free and I saved a lot of money on these. These are pretty rare in my zone because this is the Faulkner variety. This grows up to maximum 1 meter or 3 feet tall. So whenever you can find it in my zone, it is pretty expensive and I really saved a lot of money on these. So the first thing I want to do is to make sure that the flower bed where I will create the hedge has clean edges, and I will add this lawn separator. I put the first piece of the lawn separator here in the flower bed last week, and now I will connect the next one. And it is done. Now I can bring the boxwoods. Now at first I will plant them pretty close together and I will move them later on when they get bigger. This is it, you guys. This is my miniature boxwood hedge. I will update you in a year. I hope they will grow a lot until then. And I will leave you with some cute footage from the garden. Thank you a lot for watching. Happy gardening. Bye!